To remove the heatsink, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, and the fan assembly. Loosen the 4 captive Torx 15 screws over the CPU in the order indicated by the stencils on the heatsink. If there is a GPU, loosen the 2 Torx 15 screws over the GPU in their stenciled order. Detach the 2 Torx 15 screws near the radiator end of the heatsink. Carefully lift the heatsink out of the unit. Before replacing the heatsink, first clean off the thermal grease from the CPU. Clean the thermal grease from the GPU if present in the unit. If you are replacing the same heatsink into the unit, clean the thermal grease from the heatsink. Apply new thermal grease or thermal pad to the CPU and GPU if present. Carefully align the heatsink back into the unit, positioning it carefully above the CPU and GPU if present. Tighten the Torx 15 screws for the heatsink over the CPU and GPU if present in the unit, in the order indicated by the stencils on the module. Replace the 2 Torx 15 screws near the radiator end of the module.